Hola, gente hermosa, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a video about this brand named Casely, and I'm going to be unboxing my first ever iPhone 12 Pro Max cases from this company with you all, and I'm going to give you an honest review. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. Okay, so I placed this order I think like last week, and they were having a sale, so it was buy one get one free. And honestly, I just thought of a mistake I made. I ended up getting 3 cases, but I didn't realize that I could have got 4, and that kind of makes me upset, but it's whatever. I ended up getting one of the cases for free, and I paid for 2. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Okay, so all 3 of the cases that I got are the protective ones. So they have like a regular kind of case, and then they have like the same pattern but protective for the phone that you choose. And as you see, I got this one with, it's brown with black dots on there. I got a taupe blank case, and then this grid black and white case. So let's go ahead and try them on my phone. And the case I have on now is just a case that I got from Amazon. It's a stone color case. And yeah. And I have the blue 12 Pro Max. So I am just hoping that the color isn't ugly with these cases. And yeah. What were the... So here's the first case, the one with the dots on it. And this is how it is, very sturdy, like the back is hard. This is hard too, but kind of flimsy on the volume switch right there. And on the bottom, so let's see how easy and how hard it is to get this in here. The fingerprints, I had to wipe that off. But yeah, okay, so this is how it looks on the front. It protects the edges of the phone up here as well. And yeah, and this is how it looks on the back. And on the side. This is actually really cute. I like it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go back and buy another case, especially if they still have the sale going on, because I can get 2 for 1. All right, let's try the other cases on. Okay, so I didn't realize that this one was gonna have a lighter color in the front. I thought I had the black one, but so it looks like this on the side. It has a lighter color. It's like a cream color in the front, and then the camera part is black, and then the back is just taupe. And this is how it looks on the phone, like that. And yeah, this one's pretty simple, but I love taupe, so this is a really pretty color to me. And yeah, that's how this one looks on the phone. Now let's try the last one. So this is the last case. It's black on the side. And then I think this one is gonna be my favorite one, especially because my phone is blue, and this one goes the best with the blue in the back. Not that it actually matters, it's just the color of the camera. It really doesn't matter. The case itself is pretty anyway, all of them are. But I think this one is my favorite But yeah, this is what all of the cases look like. And these are just the 3 that I got so far. Most likely I will be ordering from them again, especially if they have a sale going on still. And like I said, when I bought these cases, it was buy one get one, which I know clearly I should have got 4 instead of 3, but I wasn't thinking straight that day. Anyway, yeah. So thank you all so much for watching this video. And if you have liked this video, please don't be afraid to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel if you want to see more unboxings and maybe even more videos about the iPhone 12 Pro Max later on down the line. And yeah, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.